Hi students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to continuous class rational number. So yesterday we have learnt what is a period and also what is a periodicity, and we are finding the period and the periodicity of decimal numbers. So what is the period of 0.6 bar? 0.6 bar, that is the 6. Periodicity is 1. What is the period of 0.729 bar? That is the period equal to, so period means which digits are repeated. There is a 29, and periodicity how many digits are repeated? 1, 2. There is a 2. Today we will discuss how to convert non-terminating terms into rational numbers. Non-terminating terms convert into rational numbers. For example, 0.6 bar, 0.5 bar, first case, 0.53 bar, 0.067 bar. So these are the first case. Now how to we are converting to rational number. Rational number, that is we write in the form of P by Q. Now write the repeated figures only once. Write the repeated figures. Write the repeated figures. Write the repeated figures only once in the numerator place. In the numerator place, and takes as many nines in the denominator as the number of repeating figures. Number of repeating figures. So here in 0.6 bar, how many repeated figures? Only one figure is repeated, that is a 6. That is we can be written as in a numerator. It is divided by, after decimal point, how many numbers are repeated? How many numbers are repeated? We will take as many nines. How many numbers are repeated? Only one number, that is a 6. So we will take only 1 9. As many nines. There are how many numbers are repeated? As many nines we will take in a denominator place. That is a 9. So that is equal to, this is cancel with 3 table, 3 2 the 3 3 there, that is equal to 2 by 3. And now 0.5 bar. Now so here 0.5 bar we are converting to P by Q form. How to we are converted? So how many figures are repeated here? Only one figure. That is you write in a numerator place, which is divided by how many repeated? Only one. As many nines we will take in a denominator place. That is the 9. So 5 by 9 is a simple fraction. Will not cancel with any table. Next 0.53 bar. Now repeated figures we write only one time in a numerator place. Repeated figures, what are the repeated figures here? 5 3, that is a 53. How many repeated here? 2. As many nines we will take as many nines. That is how many? 2. So we write 2 nines. that is a 53 by 99, and 0.067 bar, that is equal to how many repeated figures? 067, 3 repeated figures. Which digits are repeated? 067, that is we write in a numerator 067. 067 we can write 67 divided by how many repeated figures? 3. So as many nines we write 9, 9, 9, that is 67 by 999. And also what is the 0.16 bar, that is equal to 16 by how many repeated? 2. 2 nines we will write in a denominator place. So 0.616 bar is equal to 16 by 99. Right. Second case, 0.12 bar, 1.56 bar, 0.729 bar, 12.28 bar, 0.2273 bar. So these are we are converted to rational numbers. How to we are converted? So numerator as we taken, take the difference between the number. Take the difference between the number formed by all the digits after decimal point and that formed by the digits which are not repeated. That means, so first of all we write in a numerator place all the digits minus non-repeated digits. Non-repeated digits. That is we take as a numerator. And denominator, so denominator as take the number formed by as many nines as there are repeating digits followed by as many zeros is the number of non-repeating digits. And so here nines in a denominator place, nines we will take as a repeated digits, repeated zeros after the point, non-repeating digits. So for example 0.12 bar, 0.12 bar. So here that is equal to, this is period is a 2, periodicity is a 1. So all the first we write all the digits, that is a 12 minus non-repeated digits. Non-repeated digits how many? Only 1. That is you write 1 by after the point repeated digits is 2. We will take as many nines. So 2 is a repeated digit. So how many are there? 1. That is 1 9 we will take. And after the point non-repeated part is 1. As many zeros we will take. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 by 90. But 11 by 90 is 0.12 bar or not? 11 is divided by 90. So here in a 90 table 11 will comes? No. So we put point, we take 0. 91 is 90. So 0. 9 is taken from 11. That is a 2. We take 0. 92 is 180. 0, 2. We take under 0. Next 92 is 180. That is a remainder we will get a 20. So 0.122 bar and so on. That is equal to, we can write 0.1. 2 is repeated. That is you can write 2 bar. So 0.12 bar is equal to 11 by 90. And another example 0.16 bar. So first of all, in the numerator, how to we take in? So first of all, we write all the digits 16 minus non-repeated 1 by repeated how many? Only one number. We will take as many 9s. Non-repeated how many? Only one number. As many zeros we will take. So 16 minus 1 is 15 by 90. Now this will goes to cancel with fifth table. 5 3 is 15. 5 1 is 5. Remaining 4. 5 8 is 40. That equal to 3 by 18. Next this will goes to 3 1 is 3. 3 6 is 18. Directly this will goes to 15 1 is 15 6 is. That is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is equal to 0.16 bar. Now 0.729 bar. 0.729 bar. Bar is only 2 and 9. So this is first of all we write all digits 729 minus not repeated is 7 by repeated how many digits? 2. So as many 9s we will write in a denominator place, and non-repeated is 1. You write 1 0. That equal to 729 minus 7, 722 by 990. This is cancelled with the 2 table. 2 3 is 6, 1 remaining, 2 6 is 12, 2 1 is 2, and also denominator cancelled with the 2 table. 2 4 is 8, 1 remaining, 19, 2 9 is 18, 1 remaining, 2 5 is, that equal to 361 by 495. 361 by 495. Next another example, 12.28 bar. 12.28 bar. So bar is only 8. So in this period is 8, periodicity is 1. Now so first we write all digits 1 to 28 minus after point not repeating is 2 by repeated is how many repeated? Only 1. We write 1 9, and non-repeated is 1. We write 1 0. That equal to 1 2 2 6 by 90. Sorry. So we take a non-repeated, that is 1 2 2 by 90. So 1 2 2 8 minus 1 2 2 6 0 1 1, that is 1 1 0 6 by 90. Now this is cancelled with the 2 table. 2 5 is 10, 1 remaining, 0, that is 10, 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6, 2 45 is, that equal to 553 by 45. And another example, 0.2273 bar, that equal to, so first of all you write all digits 2273 minus not repeated, that is 22, is divided by how many repeated numbers? 2. We will take as many 9s. How many non-repeated? 2. That is, we will take 2 zeros. That equal to 3 2 1 5 2 2 by 9990. And also we will take another example, 1.16 bar, that is equal to, so first we write all digits, 116 minus not repeated 11 by how many repeated, 6, 1 1, as many 9s we write, and after point non repeating how many, only 1, will take as many zeros, that equal to 116 minus 11 is a 5 0 1 by 90. This is cancelled with the fifth table, 5 2 ja 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 8 ja, and also this will goes to 3 table, 3 7 ja 21, 3 6 ja 18, that is equal to 7 by 6. Now I will give for examples for you. So these non-terminating recurring decimals we are converting to rationals. So first one is a 0.56 bar, 0.3636 bar, 0.121 bar, 1.18 bar, 0.123 bar, 0.123 bar, 0.123 bar. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the class.